Which way?
This way.
You can't be? Well, that's it. Dan, you see the box? Will you be able to put that in? Put that in? Huh?
Charlotte.
Now, how does that look?
That's okay. Put that one in.
Put another one in.
You put in.
Put Mommy's in. Ah! Will you give me a hug now? Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.